In this video, I'm going to show you how to loop YouTube videos. So if you wanted to listen to your favorite song on a loop or watch videos on loop, this is how you can go about it. On mobile, if you're trying to just loop one video, while watching the video, tap on the gear icon at the top of the video, and here you'll find loop. If you don't find loop here, tap on additional settings and you see loop video. Toggle on this, and when the video finishes, it will start a replay. You can always come back here and toggle it off if you want to turn it off. Now if you want to loop a series of songs or videos on mobile, now when playing any video, under the name of the channel, you'll find several options. Scroll till you find save and tap on save. Now you need to create a new playlist. Tap on new playlist and then give the playlist a name. Title the playlist, leave this as private and tap on create. You can also add a video to a playlist on the preview page by tapping on the three dots beside the video and you'll be able to save to playlist. Tap on this and you can create a new playlist or add it to a playlist. Now to view your playlist, tap on you and under playlist you find your song playlist. If you don't find a playlist, you can tap on view all and you find all the playlists you've created here. Tap and select the playlist and then go ahead and play the video. Now you'll find a loop button. You can add as many videos to your playlist and then tap to loop the videos. You need to tap again if you only want one video to be looped among other videos. On PC, now this is quite easy to do. While watching any video on YouTube, all you need to do is right click on the video and you'll see loop. Click on loop and anytime you finish watching that video, the same video will start all over again. Now if you want to loop a series of videos, you can watch the next video on how to loop with playlist.